Oh, sorry guys, I was editing, the haircut tutorial that you guys are about to watch right now. I'm telling you guys, it's fire, okay? It's just straight fire. I mean, you guys, fire, alright? It's like this high taper. It's basically just a high taper, faded beard, regular taper in the back. But, all I gotta say is it's just dope. It's gonna be a dope video. Stay tuned for it. I got some dope beats in this video for you guys. I mean, it'll be down in the description down below. It's gonna be all the way down in the description, but it's gonna be down there for you guys. So hey, just watch. Just watch. Just get to it. Alright, so when a waiver sits in your chair, the first thing you want to do is you kind of just want to comb out the hair. You're really lifting the hair up from the scalp, so then you can really prep it when you're about to cut it down. And then you also are combing it out so you can get a feel for their pattern. You don't want to gap their waves or nothing like that because you went in the wrong direction. So you're really just getting a feel of the pattern right now. Alright, so when my client really came in, he didn't know what he really wanted to cut it down to. So we started out with a 2, and then now as you guys see, I have a 1.5 with the Enhancement master. The comb is a little bit longer, so it kind of gave it like a nice length, and we basically left it at this length. Usually when I have waivers, I go ahead and I brush everything down with a nice soft brush, just to, kind of put everything back in place after, I cut it all down. So that's all I'm really doing right here. Alright, so right here I'm setting my ball guideline with my Slimline Pro Alive. I like using my Slimline Pro Alive because I feel like I make neater guidelines with my liners. Again, whatever you put it in with, you can take it out with. So I like using my Slimline Pro Alive because, again, like I said, neater guidelines. You have neater guidelines, then fade or taper becomes, more clean and probably the way you want it. When I set my ball guideliner when it comes to my back taper is basically depending on the waves, how high or how low, and how much room I need to fade or taper without going too deep into the waves. So that's basically where I set my ball guideliner when it comes to waves. Alright, so now it's actually time to start getting into the actual taper. So right here I got my 1.5 guard on my wall seniors, and I'm just kind of debulking. So then when I go into my other steps with the lever open and all that, I'm not taking off too much hair. I'm just taking off the right amount of hair. So that's really what debulking is doing. And I feel like when I started debulking, my fades and tapers started coming out a lot better. So I kind of just recommend to just try it out. Alright, so right here we got the lever all the way open, no guard. We're going up about a 1/2 inch. This is because we really don't want to make our guidelines too big, because when you make your guidelines too big, then we're going to start going into the waves, and we really don't want to do that. We want to save as much waves as possible. But then you right here close your lever, you're going to flick away at that line, and if you have to, you can open and close your lever, so then you're not really leaving more lines in the head. Alright, so right here we have the one guard all the way open, and we're going up about another half an inch. Again, we're going up at half an inch so we don't go too far into the wedge, keeping our guidelines real consistent, because when you have consistent guidelines, you get a consistent taper or fade. And then you see me flip it down to just kind of like debulk again. It's all about debulking to make your job a little bit easier in the long run. And you just see I'm flicking so then I don't leave harsh guidelines in. And right here you see me with the half guard all the way open, and I just kind of work it down. I feel like when I start with the lever all the way open and slowly close it, I just get a better blurry taper or fade. So right here I'm on 1.5 guard all the way closed, kind of just, you know, doing any cleanup work, anything that I might have missed, really just trying to get this taper any more blurry than what it is already. But yeah, that's all I'm really doing right here. So when it comes to the back taper, it's pretty much the same exact steps as the side taper that I just showed you guys. So I'm pretty much going to fast forward the back taper and the side taper, and I'll get back to you guys after that. goes back for about a week or so. And so that's why you just want to really keep it as natural as possible. Alright, now when it comes to the build, we basically did a chin strap. What a chin strap is, you keep it like skinny, and yeah, it's basically skinny. I felt like this was the best option because, I mean, that's the parts where his beard was thickest, and it just looked better. But how I'm doing it, sorry I'm all up in the camera, but you guys see the waves of it spinning, right? But, off topic, we're just basically chipping away at it. Like, you don't want to go in and, harsh guidelines, especially if you're a beginner. You kind of just want to chip away at it till you start getting the shape that you want. And I mean, that's basically how I've been doing mine ever since I started. I never just go straight into it. I kind of just slowly, cut away at it. And when it comes to like doing it next to the back part, you really just want to keep that as natural as possible too. Mostly because when they come back and it grows back, it's not going to last that long. So you also want it to last long. Basically what I did. I just kept it close to his jawline. That's what we asked for. That's what I gave him. Some people they just want to keep it thicker, but he just wanted more of that cleaner, look of the jawline. So that's what I gave him. If you guys were wondering why I went out so high. Alright, so now it's time for the razor. When it comes to the straight razor, you really, again, just keep everything flat. Let the razor just glide against the skin. Pull the skin, and you should be perfectly fine. You won't nick them. You won't do anything like that as long as you, again, keep it flat. Pull the skin, and just let the razor do its work. I mean, you're just basically, I see it as you're assisting the razor on where it wants to go. Okay, you really just pull it all the way up to where the hair is, and then again, I just see it as I'm letting the razor do the work this time. but I did put some goat drip butter in his hair. That's why it's shining the way it is. And I'm just brushing it in right now. That's all I'm doing. Nothing major, just brushing in the way of his pattern. But yeah, that's all I'm really doing right here. Yeah, he was checking himself out. I wasn't even done with the cut, and he was already posting on the Snap story and all that. But I mean, as you guys can see, the method I'm about to do right here is the razor over comb. Now I do this method because the comb is kind of lifting it up, making the depth in his waves, and then the razor is just knocking down that frizz. So that's basically why I like doing this. It gives the look of, you know, depth in the waves, but it's still laid. Them feel 10 times better. That's all it's about at the end of the day. It matters how you make the client feel. I mean, you guys can knock it all you want, but hey, I wouldn't use it if it didn't make my clients feel 10 times better about themselves afterwards. So that's why I use enhancements. It makes the cut look 10 times better than what it was before. And I mean, I'm not covering up any mistakes. You guys see the tapers clean, all that. The line was crispy, it was straight, all that. I'm not covering up any of my mistakes. I'm just making the cut look better. This is the cut, and if you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, like the video if you like the video, because why wouldn't you like the video if you like the video? Go ahead, drop a comment down below, because you guys already know I love you guys' comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe, because we dropping fire videos just like this one. But hey, it's 360 Woods, and I'm out. Yeah!